Good morning, children. Welcome back to our section. Today we are going to learn new alphabet. Children, in last class we have completed A to H letters. A to H letters. Today we are going to learn what is the letter H after. What is the letter H after? See children, here all of you look at this picture. Here this is called igloo. See children, what is this picture name? Yes, igloo. Igloo. Say children, here, what is the initial sound of the igloo? Yes, E. E. Say everyone children, E. Igloo. Igloo. What is the initial sound? Yes, E. E. Say everyone, E. See children, here, this is called India map. Say everyone, India map. India. India. India means this is our country name. This is our name of our country. India. India. Say children, what is the initial sound of the India? Yes, E. E. Say everyone, E. E. What is the initial sound of the India? Yes, E. E. This is called ink pot. Say everyone children, ink. Ink pot. This is called ink pot. Say children, everyone, what is the initial sound of the ink pot? Yes, E. E. Ink pot. Very good children. What is the initial sound? Yes, E. This is called inch tape. Say everyone children, what is this? Inch tape. This is called inch tape. Inch tape is useful for to measure the size. To measure the size. Children here can observe what is the initial sound of the inch tape? Yes, E. E. What is the initial sound? E. These are insects. These are insects. Say children, what are these? These are insects. See children, here, what is the initial sound of the insect? Yes, E. What is the initial sound? E. See here children, everyone can name the pictures igloo, India map, ink pot, inch tape, insects. Children here can observe what is the initial sound of the each picture. Igloo, E. India map, E. Ink pot, E. Inch tape, E. Insects, E. See children, what is the common sound? Yes, E. See children, here E is the sound of the letter I. E is the sound of the letter I. Children, today we are going to learn letter I sound words. Letter I sound words. I says E. I says E. What is the sound of the I, children? Yes, E. This is called letter I. Say everyone children, letter I. This is called letter I. I says E. What is the sound of the I, children? E. E. I comes after the letter H. I comes after the letter H. Say children, what is the letter H after? I. Children, read the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Children, all of you read out the sound of the each letter. A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, E. See children, can read out with examples. A for ant, B for ball, C for cat, D for duck, E for elephant, F for fish, G for glass, H for hat, I for igloo. Children, here see the story of the E sound words. Story of the E sound words. See here everyone children. It was a holiday. It was a holiday and Inder was at home. Here, Inder is the boy name. Inder. His brother was looking at an igloo. See children, he was looking at an igloo which was outside the house. That is, outside the house. Their father bought a map of India. He brought a map of India, India, and hanged it on the wall. Hanged it on the wall. Inder wanted to fill the ink. Inder wanted to fill the ink in his pen. The ink pot fell down. The ink pot fell down near an inch tape. Near an inch tape. Just then an insect came and walked on the ink. Walked on the ink. See here children, story of E sound words. See children, it was a holiday. It was a holiday. Inder, Inder was at home. Inder is the name of the boy. Name of the boy, Inder. What is the initial sound of the Inder children? E. His brother was looking at an igloo. What is the initial sound children? E. Outside of the house. Igloo is outside of the house. Their father bought a map of India. India, and hanged it on the wall. Inder wanted to fill ink in his pen. The ink pot, ink pot, fell down near an inch tape. E. Just then an insect came and walked on the ink. See children, who walked on the ink? Insect, E. Children, here all of you observe that what are the E sound words in this story? Say everyone. Inder, E. Igloo, E. India map, E. Ink pot, E. Inch tape, E. Insect, E. See children, all of you can learn what are the E sound words. What are the E sound words? What is our assignment today? Learn E sound word. E means which letter sound children? Yes, I. That is called I. Children, all of you learn E sound words, and now we are going to do an activity. Are you ready to do the activity? See children here. Children, take crayons. Now I am going to take, see this is brown color. Draw the sleeping line, standing line here, standing line. Join here, up curve. Here you have to draw like curves, down curves. One more like that. Draw the middle circles. Here take yellow color. Draw the curves. Here take blue color. Draw the right slanting line. Draw one more slanting line. Sleeping line. Draw the middle of these two slanting lines. Draw the sleeping lines. Take green color for leaves. See children. Children, how is it? It's like exact like sugar cane. Now take red color. Here can draw them. Here right slanting line. Draw the left slanting line. Here you have to draw left slanting line. Draw here right slanting line. Then middle you have to join sleeping line. Join here standing line. Put the two dots here. Draw them like right slanting line, left slanting line, sleeping line. Can draw the tail like curves. What is this, children? Kite. See? Children can guess these pictures are identification of coming festival. Can you guess what is that festival? Yes, anyone can guess? Yes, Pongal. Pongal is the coming festival, no children? All of you, I wish you very happy Pongal to you everyone, children. Can draw the activity on Pongal, children. This is activity on Pongal. Draw this picture. Can share your picture in WhatsApp. Children can write here happy Pongal. Everyone. Advance happy Pongal, children, to everyone. Can do the activity. Share. Children, all of you fill the colors. And once again, happy Pongal to you, children. Enjoy the Pongal. Thank you, everyone. I hope you understand this video. Share your assignment. Thank you.